So student, let's have a look about how the communicable diseases spread. As you know that communicable diseases can be spread by the following way. Okay. Earlier we get known about the what do you mean by the communicable disease? It means the diseases that spread from one person to another person. It means an infected person to a healthy person. Such type of disease is known as communicable disease, or you can say that infectious disease. Okay. These diseases can be carried by the microorganism. What we had learned about earlier, microorganism, the name of microorganisms are bacteria, virus, protozoans. These all are the name of microorganism by which many of the disease can be carried. Okay. So let's have a look. Let's take a revise for this, that bacteria, with the help of bacteria anyone can suffer the disease name cholera, pneumonia, typhoid, plague, meningitis. These are the name of disease. This disease can be carried by the bacteria. Okay. So what about the virus? Virus, common cold, flu, polio, chickenpox. These are the name of diseases which is carried by the virus. So it is a viral infection. Okay. Now, protozoans it means malaria, dysentery. These are the name of disease which is carried by the protozoan. Okay. Now we will discuss about how the communicable diseases can be spread. So, communicable diseases can be spread through air. Okay. What will happen in this? Just listen to me. When a sick person cough, sneeze or spit somewhere else, it means they releases into air. They release the germs from their body in the air. Now, when a healthy person breathes in this air, the germ can be easily enter in the body and the healthy person get sick. Okay. Now, what will happen? What will be the name of diseases which is carried by the through air? Okay, now common cold, viral fever, whooping cough, tuberculosis are the various types of diseases which can be carried by through the air. Means a healthy person when take breath, that air will enter into the body and that person will definitely suffering such type of problem. Okay. Now the next one is your through contaminated food and water. Contaminated, it means by mixing something into the food and water. Okay. So what will happen in this? If a person will drink a contaminated water or dirty water, you can say, and infected food, if they get into the body, it means they are not stored properly, then the germs come through the dust and infect the healthy person. Okay. Now if you are going to eating contaminated food and drinking contaminated water, then definitely your body will suffer such type of disease. Which type of disease can be carried by the contaminated food and water? Diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, jaundice. Okay, these are the name of disease which a person can be get from the contaminated food and water. Okay, so you have to maintain the hygiene also for this. Get it my point? Now the next one is your through direct contact. Direct contact, it means when a healthy person come in contact with an infected person, okay, then the healthy person may get infected with the help of germs or many of the microorganisms. They can easily enter into the healthy body. Okay. Now the what will happen in this? Through direct contact, anyone can be suffered chickenpox, measles, ringworms, common cold, flu. These are the name of diseases which a healthy person get infected from a infected person. It means through direct contact, chickenpox, measles, ringworm can be carried. Okay. So you have to learn the name of diseases which can be spread through. Okay. Maybe I can ask from you that typhoid is carried by, or you can say typhoid can be spread through direct contact. One option will be direct contact. The second one is your contaminated food and water. The third one is your through air. Then what will be your answer? Typhoid can be carried or can be spread with the help of or by the contaminated food and water. If a healthy person will drink or will eat a contaminated food and water, it means their body can be infected, may be infected by the typhoid disease. Get it my point? So next, have a look. So student, the next one is your communicable disease can be spread through insect. Most of this insect you have definitely seen in your house. Various blood sucking insects such as mosquitoes, fleas, bugs, and sandflies also. These all are the name of insects which can easily spread the various types of disease. Which type of disease can be spread through insect? Malaria, yellow fever, kala jar, plague, dengue, these all are can be spread through insects. Okay students? So as you know, in the case of malaria, you definitely know that when a female Anopheles mosquito bites a sick person who is suffering from malaria, it sucks the malaria germs along with the blood of the sick person, and if that mosquito bites some healthy person, that it will spread into their body easily. The malaria germs pass into the victim's body and make sick. Okay, so the dengue and plague also. So in the case of plague, as you know that by the help of red fleas it can be easily spread. And you definitely heard the name of dengue. Dengue also can be carried by the mosquito. So the mosquito is very dangerous things. Okay. Now the next one is your through damaged skin. Through damaged skin, it means, as you know that our skin acts as a protective covering and it prevents the germs from entering inside our body. So if we are getting infected or if we are getting damaged our skin, then it will definitely, then some germs will enter into our body. So what will happen in this? If there is cut into your body, now the germs of tetanus may be entered in our body through cut in the skin. So these are the by which communicable disease can be spread from person to person. Okay, thank you.